Hey there, this is Karen from Firefly. Today I wanted to get on to tell you about this new kit that we have. It's a micro peel at home kit. So it's a kit that you can use at home if you haven't been coming in for your facials as much this year. This is a nice treatment at least that you can do in the meantime at home. But also it's really nice to do in between facials. So you can do it a couple weeks after a facial before you come in for your next one. So it'll help your facial to have the effects last a little bit longer. So I'm going to show you what's in the kit. When you open it up, it has instructions, so it tells you exactly what to do. And then inside are these products. So the first step is cleansing, toning, and masking. And so it has the facial wash cleanser, which is my favorite cleanser from PCA Skin. You can even use it to take makeup off. It has a hydrating toner, it comes in a spray bottle, so you can spritz it on your face, or you can spritz it on a cotton and wipe it on your face. And then it has this mask, which is a detoxifying mask. And that's where these come in. So there's this little dish and a mask brush. So this is one way to apply a mask, is you put the product in the little dish, and then you use the mask to paint it onto your face. So that's kind of fun. You don't have to do it, but that's one way that you can apply the mask. You could also put the product in your hands and, put it on like moisturizer or something. So you leave it on for about 5 minutes. It'll get hard, and it has a gray color to it and a clay texture. So it kind of hardens. And then you remove the mask after that's done, after it dries. The next step is the enzymatic treatment. So this you can also put in the dish to apply and use the brush, or you can pour it into your hand and put it on your hand. This you leave on. This I'm so excited about because it's not something that's usually retailed, so it's not something that you would normally be using at home, but we're offering it now as an extra treatment that you can do at home, especially if you haven't been getting your regular facials this year. So you can put it in the dish and paint it on, or put it on your skin with your fingers, and you leave it on. And so the enzymatic treatment, it's an exfoliator. It'll help bring a glow to your skin, and it works on the lower layers to exfoliate and rejuvenate the cells underneath. So that's the second step. You leave that on, and then on top of that, you move to step 3, which is down here, these 3 products. So there's a Rejuvenating Serum, which is an extra serum also for anti-aging, and just for all skin types. It's a really great little booster for any type of moisturizer that you're using. And then Rebalance, which is a moisturizer. So you put that on over the serum, and then finally you finish with the sunscreen. So this is a new sunscreen from PCA too. I mean, I think it was new this year, but it's Daily Defense Broad Spectrum 50, SPF 50. And I really like this one because it dries matte also, and it has really good coverage. So this is the whole kit. All of these products should last you about 2 to 3 treatments. So you're not going to use up the whole thing at once. You would use it at least 2 times, maybe 3 times, depending on how much you need. And honestly, I feel like a lot of times people use too much product, so kind of err on the side of a little bit less. And I think that would be enough, and you could probably get away with 3 times of using this. So this is the kit again. We can drop ship it directly to you, or we have some here at the spa if you'd like to stop by and pick one up. They retail for $129, and you can order from my website, fireflywellnessdayspa.com. And yeah, we can ship it, like I said, or come by and pick it up. And let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, and get your glow on at Firefly.